The Pixel 9 Pro is Google's new flagship, bringing better cameras, faster performance, and a fresh design. But is it really a big improvement over last year's model? Let's take a closer look in our full review. The vanilla Pixels are known for providing a clean Google software and great cameras in a compact design. This year, it brings some nice upgrades: a faster chip, brighter screen, bigger battery, and a new ultra-wide camera. The design is different too. It's bigger and heavier than the Pixel 8, with a flat back and aluminum frame. It gives a vibe like an iPhone. The back is glossy Gorilla Glass Victus, and the camera bump has been reshaped. It's still horizontal but now oval and doesn't reach the frame. One thing that hasn't changed? It still has IP68 dust and water resistance here. The Pixel 9 has a 6.3 inches OLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, with a clear 1080p resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Unlike the Pro models, it doesn't have LTPO tech, so it only switches between 120Hz and 60Hz. This year, the maximum brightness got a major boost, up to 1200 nits with manual slider, and it can boost up to 2200 nits in auto mode. That's brighter than any competitor right now, making it perfect for outdoor use. The screen is super sharp too, with 422 pixels per inch, supports HDR10+ for videos, and can display Ultra HDR images with boosted highlights. For audio, the Pixel 9 has a stereo speaker setup. Sound is loud and clear, especially with vocals and high notes. The only thing missing is a bit more bass. Google finally upgraded the under-display fingerprint reader from optical to ultrasonic this year. It's quick, reliable, and works really well. The Pixel 9 comes with 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, but that's not expandable through microSD. The Pixel 9 has a 4700 mAh battery. The phone earned an impressive 13 hours and 5 minutes of active use in our test. Like last year, it can charge at a maximum speed of 27 watts, but there is no charger in the box. With a compatible adapter, we could charge it from 0 to 55% in 30 minutes, and a full charge took about an hour and 25 minutes. While this is not very fast, the Pixel 9 also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The Pixel 9 based on Android 14 with lots of AI features. It can summarize calls, texts, and emails, helping you find important information quickly. Google's AI assistant, Gemini, can answer your questions in simple language and chat with you in over 100 languages. Google Photos also has great features, like Best Take, which lets you replace faces or objects with better versions. The Pixel 9 series includes satellite SOS support, but it's only available in the USA right now. Google promises 7 years of software support for the Pixel 9, and they'll provide spare parts during that time if you need repairs. All the new Pixel phones use Google's Tensor G4 chip. It has a new CPU design, and the GPU runs faster, but the AI processor, TPU, is the same as last year. The specifications and our experience with past Pixel phones, we think its performance is low as compared to flagship phones with top Snapdragon chips. Still, we had no problems using the Pixel 9. The interface was smooth, and apps and games worked perfectly. The Pixel 9 comes with some exciting camera upgrades, including a new ultra-wide camera, and autofocus for the selfie camera. On the back, you'll find a 50-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, both equipped with autofocus. This setup is similar to the Pro models, just without the telephoto lens. Let's start with the main camera. In daytime, the main camera on the Pixel 9 does an excellent job. It captures detailed images that look natural, with just the right amount of sharpening. While you might see a bit of pixelation in some cases, it's not a major issue. The camera offers the high contrast you expect from Pixel phones, keeping bright areas clear, while shadows are a bit darker, and the colors are vibrant. Portraits look fantastic, with great skin tones. Since there's no telephoto lens, you'll need to use a digital zoom from the main camera to get closer shots. This may lose a little detail, but the quality is still good and is often more comfortable for taking photos of people. At night, the main camera does a decent job as well. It captures photos with good detail, especially in the shadows, which might be a bit soft. Overall, the images look nice. The new ultra-wide camera takes impressive photos. The images are super sharp in the center, And while they lose a bit of clarity towards the edges, they still look good overall. The dynamic range and colors are fantastic. Thanks to its autofocus, this camera can also take close-up shots that turn out really well. There's a special macro mode that adds digital zoom for even more detail. In low light, the ultra-wide camera performs well, capturing bright photos. The sharpness is good with decent colors. The Pixel 9 takes great selfies. They have excellent detail and lovely skin tones, with bright and lively colors. The new autofocus feature lets you explore different framing and angles for your shots. The Pixel 9 can record video in 4K at 60 FPS with all its cameras, but it doesn't support 8K like the Pro models. The videos have strong contrast and bright colors. The electronic stabilization is impressive, smoothing out any shakes while walking or panning. In low light, the main camera records decent videos with good detail, balanced lighting, and accurate colors. So, here's the Google Pixel 9. It's a strong option that gives you almost everything the Pro models offer. Compared to last year, it has a bigger and brighter screen, longer battery life, and an upgraded ultra-wide camera. If you like the small-size phones, the Pixel 9 is worth recommendation. I hope you like the video. Give the big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe and see you in the next one.